soul family. Today I am sharing one simple technique, that is tapping method. When to use the tapping method? Whenever you feel stuck, low in any situation, if suppose you have body ache, headache, or positively if you wish to manifest money, love in your life, that time tapping method is used. You can use it anytime. I generally use this amethyst, but if you don't have any crystal, you can use your hand, your fingers, and you can start the tapping technique. It is just that you need to chant any kind of mantra, maybe Om Namah Shivaya, whatever you believe in, any kind of switch word, okay, or any kind of affirmation, whatever you feel like. I'm just giving you one example. If suppose I have headache and I'm doing this tapping method, okay, so I'm using these two fingers, okay, and I'm tapping on my crown chakra, and I'm saying the affirmation. What I'm saying is, my headache has gone and I'm feeling better. Thank you, universe, my headache has gone and I'm feeling better. And you will immediately start feeling the vibration. Now if suppose I wish to manifest money in my life, okay, you can start tapping your third eye chakra. I'm using switch word, okay, find count divine, find count divine, find count divine. Here, see, okay, find count divine, find count divine, find count divine. Now here, find count divine, find count divine, find count divine. Now here, find count divine, find count divine, find count divine. Or maybe you can use any kind of affirmation, okay. Money comes to me easily. I love money. Money loves me. Money come to me easily. I love money. Money loves me. Okay. Now, yeah. Money comes to me easily. I love money. Money loves me. Okay. Money comes to me easily. I love money. Money loves me. Okay. Similarly, you can start tapping. Find count divine, find count divine, find count divine, find count divine, find count divine. Now here, find count divine, find count divine. I attract money in my life easily. I attract money in my life easily. I love money. Money comes to me easily. Find count divine and find count divine. Okay, you can use this tapping technique, tapping method, anytime, anywhere, for any kind of situation. Maybe you are feeling low, stuck, use it. You wish to manifest love in your life, same way, use switch words. I always keep on sharing switch words. Please use those switch words and start using it. Okay, this is the easiest method to use it, and this is the most reliable technique whenever you wish to manifest or you are feeling stuck in any kind of situation. Thank you so much. Stay blessed, and do let me know how you use it and what are the results. Thank you so much. May God bless you.